Oh, Kemunto. How are you? I do this, huh? Go to the market, yeah? Come with 1 pilipili hoho, okay?
Yeah.
If you find tomatoes, come with 7, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. I'll make it quick, please.
Few moments later.
Jesus. What are these?
Si hoho, hapo kulikuwa na nyanya.
No, I told you 7 tomatoes, not 7 pilipili hohos.
So ulisema nikiona nyanya nibae hoho zikiwa 7.
Oh my goodness.
Ulisema nyanya ikiwa
I told you, go buy me pilipili hoho. If you get tomatoes, come with 7.
Si ndio hiyo, nikipata
tomatoes, 7 tomatoes.
Nikipata tomato
so
iko hapo.
Is your problem.
Uliniambia nikiona nyanya iko nibae nini? Nyanya isipokuwa nibae hoho moja.
Hey, yeah, go come with 7 tomatoes. Now I want 7 tomatoes. If you find pilipili hoho, come with 1.
Yeah?
Okay, English is the problem. Come with 7 tomatoes then. If you find pilipili hoho, come with 1. 1 pilipili hoho, 7 tomatoes. Is that a problem?
Eti?
Do this, go back to the market, come with 7 tomatoes. If you find pilipili hoho, come with 1. Okay, move.
Nikuja na tomato 7, nikipata pilipili hoho, niache nibebe moja. Si ndio?
Where did you go to school?
Na Kemunto primary.
That's the problem. No, that's the problem. That's the problem. No, that's the problem. Now, go to the market right now and don't make me mad. Go to the market right now. Come with 7 tomatoes. If you find pilipili hoho, come with 1. Is that a problem?
Nikipata pilipili hoho, niache nikuja na kamoja.
Okay, go come with what you understood. Go. Just move. Come with what you understood.
Nimerudi basi.
Go to the market.
Nikuja na?
Hey, go to the market. I told you, come with 7 tomatoes. If you find pilipili hoho, come with 1.
Nikipata 7 tomatoes,
don't ask me another question. Go to the market. Or you call your teacher to make you understand, okay? And don't come here disturbing me again with those silly things of yours.
Nikipata pilipili hoho ni 7, nikunje na nyanya moja. Nikipata nyanya ni 7, nikuja na.
Are you still here?